Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of the Professional Mukbang Show where we try stuff and see how spicy it is, and we're not going to just like jump up and down like crazy. No. Unless it's really hot. But we're working up to really hot. We'll see how much you can handle. The one we're doing today is Buldak Rose. It's kind of a creamy, spicy variety, so that's neat. And here's what we got that we're gonna try today. Didn't add anything to it. If you want to see the rest of it, it's in the review. I did a whole review on it, and you know. But yeah, let's have our regular beverage facilitation really quick. Going for 4 bites today, sir.
Yep, 4 bites today, viewers.
Yeah.
4 bites.
You're gonna rock and roll it.
Yep.
All right, ready, set,
Go.
go. What do you think? I'll let you finish.
Wait,
This one seems to be significantly spicier than the one we did yesterday, which was the spicy. You're not going to see these in order. The ones we're doing right now are ones that haven't been published yet as far as the review goes. So yeah, it'll be an odd order of things, but Miles generally doesn't like hot food, nor does he like squishy food like this. So this is a big thing for him to be trying stuff like this. So it's pretty cool. So what do you think of that one?
I think it's spicy.
Yeah, keep going. That was a big bite. We can count that as 2. You got to get 2 more, and then you can surrender. Keep trying.
Okay. Let me just have a moment.
You may have one of your Earth moments.
Okay.
What do you think of the flavor?
The flavor is spicy.
Well, that's the heat level, but what about the way it tastes, other than the spicy?
This doesn't taste like roses.
No, it doesn't.
No.
It doesn't. I think it tastes like Chick-fil-A sauce. And I've had the Korean version of this. Go ahead.
Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Imagining going to Chick-fil-A.
But yeah, it just seems like Chick-fil-A sauce, and it seems like more, I don't know. I've had their noodles that when you steep it, they come out great. This one, though, seems very spongy, and I'm not a big fan of that.
I have 3.
You got 3? Keep going. You're almost there.
Okay, almost there.
Go crazy. It's a mukbang. You're going to make me eat all the rest of this?
Yeah.
I don't wanna.
Oh.
I need help. You got to help me.
Oh.
Well, yeah, that's the whole point of doing a mukbang, dude.
It's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like spicy things.
You don't like spicy things, and you're asking me repeatedly to do Buldak mukbangs.
Oh.
You like spicy
With
things.
me.
Well, yeah, with me. Jeez.
I need to fire out.
Okay.
Fire out and then I'll have another
Okay, I can get with that.
bite. I'll have another bite.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
First bite of the day.
I'm impressed. So what got you into like being interested in doing this? Because this is way out of the norm for you, dude. I like show you curry I'm making. You're like, oh, disgusting, or this or that, and you just don't want to touch it. What made you want to like try doing mukbang?
I'm not sure, but I really want to get into it.
Yeah. Is it because I do it? Is it? Did you see like John Cena do it or something? Or
I like you doing mukbangs.
yeah? Well, thank you. I'm glad I could
Yeah.
inspire you.
That makes me really want to do mukbangs with you.
Cool. Well, I enjoy doing it with you, buddy. And we got plenty more to do. You're good.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised. This one's definitely spicier than the last one we did. The one we did before that was the taco. And then we did the original 1X, which seemed about the same spicy level as this, to be honest, which is kind of weird. Yeah, when I first had this a long time ago, I was really stoked. It was super, like, probably about my favorite variety. But that was the local Korean variety, and this recipe is definitely different for the States. But people here seem to like it. All right, it's time. Done. So yeah, you did good.
Uh-huh.
As for me, I'm just gonna say this is not my favorite Buldak. It's okay, but
Yeah. I think I like it a bit, but not the spiciness.
right. But which one, as far as just the taste, if you like deleted the spicy, which flavor did you like the most so far? We've had spicy, we've had taco, we've had original, and we've had this.
I really like the original.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I'll give it a 5-star rating.
Wow, look at that. Way to go, Samyang. Well, cool. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles,
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
each and every day.
Have a good one.
Goodbye.